So hello everyone, this is Mohit Prithyani and welcome to my channel Mr. Lazy Tech. And this video is all about the comparison between the MI Super Bass wireless Bluetooth headphone with the Infinity Glide 500 wireless Bluetooth headphone. So first of all, I'll let you know what will we get inside the box of both the headphones and give you the basic overview. And then we'll compare with the MI Super Bass with the Infinity Glide 500 and we'll see which one is better and which one you should buy. So hope you like this one, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the like button, comment, share as much as possible so I can make more good stuff for you all. So let's get started. So this is the box of the MI Super Bass you will be getting once the product is reached to you, and inside the box you will be getting the main headphone itself along with the user manual, charging cable and an aux cable as well. So there is a wired plus wireless option, both they have given with this one. That is a plus point. And overall they have given a very premium quality of product over here with a good finish and very comfortable over the head. You can say they have given very soft cushions and comfort over the head you will be feeling once you will wear this headphone. And apart from this one, they have given all the buttons on the headphone itself, the volume up, down, next track, previous track, so it will be easy for you to access all the features through headphone itself. And the aux cable for wired option. And here you can see this is the Infinity Glide 500 you'll be getting, and inside the box you'll be getting the main Infinity Glide headphone itself, that is a foldable one with the user manual and data cable for charging. And apart from this one, you'll be getting a very premium quality of plastic material. You can say they have given a good finish overall and a good comfort with this one as well they have provided. And it is foldable, you can just carry wherever you want according to your convenience. And all the buttons are also given on the headphone itself, play, pause, next track, previous track, so you can access all the features through the headphone itself. That is a plus point. And now if we'll compare the MI Super Bass with the Infinity Glide 500 wireless headphone, so here you can see that you'll be getting Bluetooth version 5.0 with both the headphones, and up to 20 hours of playback time you'll be getting with both the headphones. That is a plus point. And MI Super Bass में foldable option नहीं आता, so you have to carry the bulky headphone with you. And Infinity Glide 500 में foldable option आता है, so you can just fold the headphone and take wherever you want according to your convenience. एंड आपको दोनों में ही वॉइस असिस्टेंट इंटीग्रेशन फीचर मिल जाएगा. एंड MI सुपर बेस में पावरफुल एंड डीप बेस मिलेगा आपको, एंड इन्फिनिटी ग्लाइड 500 में आपको डुअल इक्वलाइजर मोड मिल जाएगा. देयर ऑल्सो कम्स विद द डीप बेस मोड. एंड MI सुपर बेस में वायर्ड और वायरलेस ऑप्शन दोनों आते हैं. डुअल कैरेक्टर्स दे हैव गिवन, दैट इज अ प्लस पॉइंट. एंड इन्फिनिटी ग्लाइड 500 में ओनली वायरलेस ऑप्शन आएगा, नो वायर्ड ऑप्शन इज देयर इज नो ऑक्स केबल, सो दैट इज अ ड्रॉबैक विद दिस वन यू कैन से. एंड अगर प्राइस की बात करें, यू विल बी गेटिंग 1800 ऑफ प्राइस रेंज विद MI सुपर बेस, एंड इन्फिनिटी ग्लाइड 500 का प्राइस अप्रॉक्सिमेटली 1400 रुपीज ओनली. So these were the basic differences between both the headphones. और अगर हम साउंड क्वालिटी और बेस क्वालिटी की बात करें, so you'll be getting a very powerful and thumpy bass with the MI Super Bass along with a very loud and decent sound quality as well. अगर आपका बजट approximately 1800 रुपीज़ है, you can definitely grab the MI Super Bass at this price range. इसमें wired plus wireless option दोनों मिल जाएंगे आपको, that is a plus point. But अगर आपका बजट थोड़ा बहुत कम है, approximately 1400 रुपीज़, you can go with the Infinity Glide 500. उसमें भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. It also gives you a very perfect output, sound output with a decent and deep bass you can say. इसमें आपको फोल्डेबल ऑप्शन मिल जाएगा, दैट इज अ प्लस पॉइंट, सो यू कैन जस्ट फोल्ड द हेडफोन एंड कैरी वेरी यू वांट. और अगर मुझसे पूछा जाएगा विच वन आई वुड प्रेफर, सो आई वुड प्रेफर द MI सुपर बेस बिकॉज मैं प्योरली बेस लवर हूँ एंड आई लाइक द वायर प्लस वायरलेस ऑप्शन ऑफ द MI सुपर बेस. फोल्डेबल से मुझे इतनी दिक्कत नहीं है, बट आई वुड कंसिडर द MI सुपर बेस जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द बेस क्वालिटी. इसका बेस बहुत ही पावरफुल है, सो इट्स टोटली योर डिसीजन विच वन टू ऑप्ट फॉर. आई एम ऑल्सो लिविंग द लिंक ऑफ बोथ द हेडफोन्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन पार्ट below. You can click from there and buy it from there as well. And if you have any question regarding any of the headphones, you can leave me in the comment section. I'll help you out with that. So this was all about the comparison between the MI Super Bass wireless headphone with the Infinity Glide 500 wireless headphone, and hope you like this one. And as I told you, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the like button, comment, share as much as possible so I can make more good stuff for you all. So thank you for watching this one and see you in the next video. Thank you.